Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to WannaBuy, and today we have the OneOdio A70s. Now, they reached out to me. They said, Rob, we want to have this on the channel. I said, let's do it. It's a budget brand. We love having budget brands on this channel. If you guys don't know, OneOdio, they have another product. It's going for $30 right now on Amazon. It's like 23K reviews with 4.5 stars. So this is one of their other products. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna test them out, give you guys a live reaction and see how these are. Different colors you can get when you get this product. But let's bust it out. Let's see what it looks like. Let's just get it out of here real quick. Now, I never heard this product before, but I've seen the reviews on it. And then, like I said, I like to have budget things on this channel. We have a lot of budget options. And lately I've been having a lot of expensive stuff, so it's kind of even that out. So right here you got your aux right here, your auxiliary cord. Now this is the one that looks like it'll go into the stereo and stuff. Bam bam, or into some instruments. That's where you got that one. This is your regular aux. And then USB. Oh, that's a micro USB. I thought it was gonna be USB Type-C. I'm so used to you saying USB Type-C on everything. You have your instructions and stuff in here, and that's the end of the box. Now, as you can see right here, you get a nice little bag, and let's pop it open. And here go our headphones. Now, they're really light. That's one thing I can tell you. The cushions feel really soft. It's a little, oh, twisty. This thing ain't playing. Now, it all looks good. Now, does it sound good? That's the question. So when it comes to the battery life, I normally always talk about their battery life. You're supposed to get 50 hours of battery life out of these headphones. That's pretty darn good. I always take a couple of hours off, about 5 or so, because if you're playing on max, that's when, you know, the battery is just gonna deplete way quicker if you're just listening to it on full blast, non-stop. So it has a jack lock-in system, apparently, is what I'm seeing. I guess it's right there. Put it in. Oh yeah. So you see that the jack right there has that little T to it. Now, if you put it in there, let's get it in, put it in, and then you can twist it and it'll lock in. It's not coming out anywhere. So you're good to go. But also a cool thing I've seen as well is you can do music sharing on this. So apparently from what I see, you could put the jack in and then you can put it into another pair of headphones, and you guys can both listen to what's playing Bluetooth wise on whatever device. That's pretty cool. I like that. I don't know if you need the same pair of headphones for that, but like for me and my wife, when we get on a plane, we'll be going to the Philippines soon. We'll be able to watch a show together and use this. So this will be really cool. I might have to tell them to send me another pair just for that reason. That would be really awesome to just, you know, connect this into her pair of headphones and you guys can both listen on the plane to whatever you guys are streaming. So we got it connected. Let me test out some music. Let me give you guys my first little impression here. Let's see what we got. What song to test out? I got one on my mind. Yeah. All right, so right now, I have on full blast. I say the loudness, I give it like an 80% loudness. The bass is shaky. No, it's not shaky. It's more punchy. You can more hear it in the music, like hit, hit. It doesn't really shake your ears and the ear cups. I really like the vocals in these headphones. The vocals sit on top of the music are really good. And it's controlling the highs, because some of these songs I listen to, the hi-hats hurt my ears on some of these songs. It's handling really good. Really good. All right, so I finally took them off. I really like what I hear out of this. For 46 bucks, you're getting a good pair of headphones, especially if you don't want to break the bank on headphones because they're expensive. We have the Sony's back here. We got the Bose headphones. Those are like $350, $400 headphones. I like what you're getting out of these. Like I said, the vocals sound really clear. The highs, they sound under control. You can hear them, they sound clear. You got nice clarity in here, and they're under control. They don't hurt your ears. A lot of headphones, they don't handle S's and hi-hats too well, but this one did. The weakness of these headphones are probably in the bass for me. I like my headphones, if they're over-ear headphones, I want it to shake my ear. With the bass, it's more of a punchy bass. I keep saying it, but it's more of, you hear like boom, boom, you more hear it in the music than it doing it in the headphones and give you that rumble with it. So you more you hear it more than feel it, to me, with these headphones. But overall, this is definitely a pair you can get someone's. If you want to save some money, or if you want to get your kids one or someone, you're like, I don't know, if I give them some expensive headphones, they're gonna break it. This is definitely an option. They'll like these. And like I said, you have the sharing with two. I definitely could wear these on a plane and stream music with Iconic, no problem. I'll be happy with these. So you do have the other jack as well, like I said. Then you can connect to instruments with this one, and then you can connect the other one to whatever you need to connect it to. So it's really nice that you have multiple jacks to go with this. So I really like these. I think these are worth, you know, 46 bucks. This is a really good pair of headphones. Now I see why their $30 version, I'll also put that link down in the description below, is so popular on Amazon and killing it. And this one's up there as well. I think this one has 6K views, 4.5 stars. So yeah, I give this a thumbs up in my book. It passes the music test for me. I like them. All right, so I just pulled these bad boys out because Iconic said these are thumpy. She likes the bass in these. Iconic doesn't like bass, number one. So we have the Sony, I think these are the M4s right here. These are $350 headphones. Now these are $50 headphones, 46 to 50 bucks. When I was just switching songs right here from my computer and the phone right here, the bass wasn't too far off of what you're getting from here. Now the price is very far off, so I'll give this a thumbs up in the bass for sure, because it was hanging with those Sonys. It had a little thump in it. The Sonys had a little bit more thump, of course, but what do you expect? It's like these are like probably the best headphones out, so everyone knows that. But to be hanging with those sound wise and bass wise for 50 bucks, I see why everyone's on these things, and I give it a thumbs up for the bass, even though I want a little bit more shaking in my ears, but still, the bass was hanging in there with those expensive headphones. All right, bud, so there you have it. I'll put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and, you know, see the current price. But if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. And shout out to OneOdio for sending this product in. I know it's something my subscribers will like, with the budget price and budget friendly for all my buds out there. So there you have it. I'll see all of you in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace.